Hey, this is Ivory with munchygoddess.com, and today we're making air fryer chicken sausages. It's a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. For this recipe, you're only going to need 2 ingredients, chicken sausage and cooking oil. Start by removing the air fryer basket and spraying it with cooking oil. Replace the basket into the air fryer and preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, cut slits into each chicken sausage. This prevents them from bursting in the air fryer. Once the air fryer is ready, add the chicken sausages in a single layer and cook for 7 minutes. Be sure to flip them halfway through. Once done, remove the sausages from the air fryer, let cool, and then enjoy with your favorite side dish. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy air fryer recipes.